This is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. This is video 33. Now, here are several PHP built-in functions to help you encrypt your password. We are going to look at, let me see, maybe about 4 of them. So let's do this. So we're going to look at the first one. The first one is called bin to hex. Get it? Binary to hex. That's what that is. So what you do is you're going to say, see, the binary to hex function converts a string, right? The ASCII characters to hexadecimal values. And the string can be converted back, using the pack. This one, you know what I mean? But we also have another way too, which is just the reversal of what we're going to do. So if we did str string, and I'm going to say, I want to say bind to hex. You're going to use all these little techniques to, at least when you're sending stuff over to the web, to the database, especially passwords, you want to change these things, because you don't want your regular person, the one that's the operator or the one that's administrating your database, to have clients' passwords. They could see the username, but they just can't see the passwords. And this will hook it up that way, and when you send it right back up on the database, and whoever's in charge of the administration and it goes in to see one of the clients, they will see password, and they will see like a whole bunch of crazy numbers, something that's encrypted, right? So what we got here, we got bin. Let's do this. All right, let's do let's say hello world again, like that. Right, let me see. We got this. I'm gonna echo this, by the way, so you can see it. Let's do it here. Echo dupe bababaloo. Okay, here it goes. And there it goes. This hello world is this. It's crazy, right? And if you want to go back, like just to check out, just say hex back. I mean, whatever you want to call it, but for me that will make sense. So you're gonna say hex to bin, and of course you're gonna say your $str. Oh shit, I should have drank some stuff. Do have a little bit of coffee over there. All right, so we're gonna do this, right? Echo, and of course, yeah, that would be good. You know, you could do this, right? See how you do this? You can also do this. Let's put a space real quick. Let's jump another line. You can put this in parentheses. I don't know if I've shown you the guys. It doesn't matter about the space. Okay, now you can do this. See? Okay, I think I should have put. Let's do. That's cool. See, hello world, hello world. You did it like this, and I did it like this. Either way, it works. Now, we have something called a random. Take this out. It's called like the random bytes. Underscore bytes, like that. So that's like it generates secure pseudo random bytes. The number in the parenthesis is like the length of the random string, and it returns in bytes. Like if you say random like 32, it'll give you about, we do something like length equals to random underscore bytes, and then you got your two parentheses, right? Of course, you're going to, let's put a in quotes, single quotes, 32. Now you want to, let's do the var dump so we can see, right? Var, remember var dump? All right, of course you remember. So we're gonna stick this in there. I just want to show you something before, because I'm going to show you two ways. But first, let me do it this way. Oh, sorry. What I needed to do was put this in parentheses with the actual bind to hex, like that. How did I forget that? That's the whole point of it. Okay, if I bind to, that will be the length. Let's do this. What's going on here? Why am I getting... Did I misspell this? Is it called by... Oh. Yeah. There you go. Let me just put a... It's good that I get these little errors. That way I can, you know... Hopefully you caught it, right? And thank you for helping me. Okay. I guess this would be the long one. So there I get, oh yeah, it is. There it goes. You got your quotes. Remember when you say that the string this 32 gave me a random byte, gave me a random byte when converted this guy to hex. Look how long that is. And of course, if it's a string, you're gonna always get the string. See, a number you don't. I mean, if you did something like this, and I think you've seen this already, like var dump, and then you put $a, it won't show you. Hopefully this gives me a space. There you go, see, int 10. It won't give me nothing here because it already knows. That's it, it's 10, that's it. You know what I mean? So now let's look at something called ctype. I like this one though. I've used this a lot. Digit. Let's spell that right. Digital. Like this. I don't know why my finger tends. Holy smokes. Oof, my finger tends to type things real quick. That little twitch there. So we're going to take a look at that, and I returns a true if the characters of the string are like numeric. Otherwise, it will return false. So this is one of the this is one that you will be using most of the time. So checking the let's say the string by using let's check let's say we could create a dollar string strings. Let's do an array. How about that? That makes it a little complicated. We like complication, don't we? No, we don't. All right, so we say, let's put this 1890, I don't know, 20 cents. Oh, damn, I completely forgot to tell my wife to put two copper pennies right at her knee, you know, like put it with a bandage because that way, see, copper is very good for your body. Helps out with the pain. So it's go 10023A, but I am not a doctor, so but I know that's true. Yeah, 223. How about that? That's a stupid number, but who cares? So we do this, and then let's do the for each. Remember, for each works to read an array. Then we're gonna put in dollar strings. Did I put an S there? Yes, I did. As I don't know, say test. Let's put the whole thing. Who cares? It should be shorter, so that way, what's the point, right? So then I'm going to compare. So I'm going to say if. Don't tell me it's raining. Oh yeah, it started raining again. ctype underscore digit. Then we're going to say dollar test case. Test case, yes. And I should do it. Maybe we should have a little space here. Alright, so let's do this. Don't forget the block because you're going to need a block there. We're going to say I want to echo if it is found digit. Yeah, digit. Let's do this. Don't forget that semi. Then we're going to say else. Don't forget the block. Then we're going to say echo. We said not found digit yet. Let's make this a little space there. And then that's about it. That should work, right? Let's give it a shot. We'll probably get an error. Oh, there you go. Not found digit yet. Not found digit, not found digit. Yeah, I should have did a because you got the okay, I'll tell you what, let's do this. BR your Canberra. For you guys who've been soldiers, Marines, Navy, and Air Force, thank you for your service. Let's see if we do it like this. Okay. See? It was looking for digit. Look, it says, was this a digit? No, I have not found it yet. Is this a digit? Yes, I did found one. Oh, look, another one. Is this a digit? No, it's not digits, which is what you add all three. That's pretty crude though, right? When you want to check for things. How about if we want to check for, like, used to check if a string is like alphanumeric? How about that? So if we did, how about if we just, I don't know, should we keep this stuff here? How about if we did this? We do, let's say, I don't know, let's say we'll do A, B, C, D, 1, 2, Z, 9, some random crap like that. And then we could do, let's take this, let's not do the numbers. We want to check for alphanumeric. You understand? So if I went like full at, I don't know, job dollar. Like this, let me see. Now what I want to do is I'll keep that as a case scenario, and then we're going to say, instead of doing CT and line, we're going to say, hey, let's check if it's an alphanumeric. So it would be L, I wonder if it's L, I don't feel like really looking. So we're going to give it a shot. Let's say we found the actual, alpha number, right? The alpha numeric situation. Let's see if it said that, and then we say num. Let's see, would it work? Yes, it did. See, this one is a letters and a numbers, and this one was weird because it didn't have any numbers. So how could this be alpha numeric? Get it? Alpha numeric, alpha characters, numeric numbers, and that's why I only found that first one and didn't find that second one. We also have one like called alpha, like to check if a string is completely an alphabetic situation. So why don't we just take that crap out of there? Let's keep this one, and then let's add another one. Something that will give us, I don't know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Get it for the guitar? It's A through G. Put 2, and then we're gonna say if this is alpha for alphabet, right? We're gonna do found alpha. Then we'll say found, not found alpha. Let's check, because you know me, man, I get those errors a lot. Because I misspell words, I forget the thing. Let me see, strings, case sense, case. It is an alpha, C alpha. Yes, it is. Boom, there you go. Not found in alpha. Not found in alpha, because you got these little symbols. And then this one, which is just completely alpha letters, this is found alpha. Then we have something like to check if a string has like a control thing. So if I kind of did, I'm gonna take all this I probably will regret it. So I'll say str1, oops, and we're gonna do an associate array. How about that? So we're gonna see if we could do a /n. You know how you got your little /n's, /r, /t's. What is it? Not T as in tabs. So then what you do is you do the other one. So you say str2. Let's move that over. And then you're gonna say AR2. What's one of my favorite engines? The 350. There you go. Also cars. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna still do the for each. So, and then we're gonna do, I want to check for CNT, you know, like the control characters. When you're jumping off this stuff right here, that's the control. So let's see, we do this, and then we'll say found. What do we call it? Let's say that. Take that out. Let me get this. Let's do this instead. Let me see. It's going to say control. This has this, comma, this, comma. Okay, there you go. So you have this. Hopefully it'll work. If it doesn't work, yes it is. Not found. Not found. Not found. I thought that would be the. That's interesting. Yeah, basically that's probably but I never use it really much, but not found. We're gonna find out what that is. So we got something called to lower, like to lower. You know, I use the ctype and digit because I want to make passwords into huge weird numbers. It's used most of the time, but if you needed to use the lower and the upper one, you can do it. So I guess we could say in this scenario, we could say A, B, C, D. We'll keep that there. And then this one will say full job. And then take this out and put a. Somebody's getting attacked over there. The TV's loud, man. These people, man. You could say FOOL. I even told them that I was going to record. Then you're going to say Apple. I hate Apple. Yeah, Apple would be cool. Alright, we're going to use this, and then we're going to say lower, and then we're going to say low. Lower. Let's take that out. Okay. Yeah, does that make sense? Let's see. There you go. This one is lower. This one is lower. This one is not lower because it's upper, and this is lower. So now if I change this to upper, it would just give me one of them. There it goes. Not lower, not lower. Low. I should have said upper. We'll do that. See? Upper. Because I found it right here. These are pretty good stuff. So, well, we reached the end. If you enjoyed this video and you learn about, because some of these things we're going to be using in on other videos, so try to remember them. But if you enjoy the password encryption, please hit the like and the subscription in my channel, and this will help grow my channel. On the next video, then we'll talk about explode and end and array a little bit more. Well, until next time, a good night.